Welcome. Let's talk about how textures can brighten your scenes. In this video, I will introduce you to HDR Cube Texture. If you go to the outliner and open the scene settings, you can click on the environment texture and this will open the image that is connected to the scene. This image basically generates the light environment in your scene. If you click here, you can see how your entire scene will turn dark. You can change the image to any other texture to improve your environments. And you can change it to any image that can improve the visuals of your assets. Go back to the outliner and add a new texture. Select HDR Cube and choose any of the images available in our library. Badvisor provides multiple options, so feel free to use them. Click on the image that you want and click Confirm. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you are interested in learning how to create the blinking animation in Badvisor, please let us know in the comments.